Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, I was waiting a little longer to see if DOT does anything exciting today, but actually not. ETH is doing something exciting, seems to be breaking out a little bit there. Well, DOT is just holding at the moment, but obviously in the yellow wave count, in the yellow scenario, has the chance to form another high in the C wave of wave 5, as explained in previous videos. The idea would be that the C wave can reach easily $10.21 if it unfolds. I mean, the fifth wave. How it exactly subdivides, we will need to see. But as a general target for a fifth wave, I mean, absolutely minimally, the 1.5, better the 1.618 or the 1.786 extension would be ideal. However, as I said before, we need to see it form at least sort of higher highs, higher lows. And at the moment, as you can see here, lower high, and really needs to push higher and break above this next resistance area that we've already put on the chart a few days ago, where it already got rejected from. So we've got this resistance area here. It's based on two Fibonacci levels that are very relevant. The 61.8 and the 78.6 retracement between 834 and 887. Also, we've got this previous B wave high, which is structural resistance, which definitely needs to be overcome in order to be able to, look for higher prices in this wave 5 in the yellow count. We see a little bit of a green candle there. If you get a magnifying glass, you might recognize it, but there's not enough to say that the yellow count basically has bottomed locally. But it really, in the yellow count, should form a low in this region. Because if we go much lower and the price breaks lower, breaks below 680 and then also below 650, which is the low that formed on the 8th of January, then we will start to favor the white scenario. Okay, and the white scenario is this C wave to the downside, which might send the price lower into the yellow support area. They are both bullish wave counts. I explained the difference between them in the previous videos. We have the yellow count, in which we are dealing with a leading diagonal. 3 waves complete, maybe the wave 4 and the wave 5 could be unfolding now. Once these 5 waves are complete, we can look for a 3-wave pullback, and from there we will be able to define a support area for that pullback. The price can go higher then, okay? And it would be a 1-2 setup. Some of the best Elliott Wave setups are 1-2 setups, but what also is possible is that really the price only formed the top in 3 waves, which would be the white A wave, and then the B wave pullback could basically follow next in a larger A, B, C structure. And this C wave might already be unfolding, but we don't really have the evidence yet. It takes a break below really 650 to confirm that, because the 650 level, as I just mentioned, that's the previous swing low that formed here around the 7th or 8th of January. If that level is taken out, it would invalidate the yellow count as it is. The 4th wave would need to reset, but then we would already be in a price region where the white wave count is gaining control. So ideally, the yellow count needs to have bottomed in the wave 4, and the 5th wave should already be unfolding. How exactly it's going to do that is difficult to establish. We need a little bit more price data because the move up was only in 3 waves. So if that's the case, then obviously the move here to the downside could be a B wave. So A, B, and the C wave to the upside can send it higher. So that's at the moment just a potential. It hasn't really shown it yet. It's all there. The bulls just need to show up from here. If the bulls fail, then you have the clear levels to watch for when the white wave count starts to gain control. And in the white count, our support levels are $5.84, $5.19, and $4.39. And only below $4.39, there's really nothing bullish left on this chart. So yeah, that's my update about DOT. Not much more to update, so maybe tomorrow we have a little bit more action. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.